1001, 1002, 1003. Did any of you guys find Mr. Stevens' challenge way too easy? That guy doesn't give you enough credit. Come along with me and I'll show you something a lot more fun and a lot more challenging. I don't know about you guys, but in the beginning of this social distancing thing, I developed some pretty useless hobbies. I mastered the art of throwing a tennis ball into a tin can. I know, riveting stuff. I'm gonna drop it right here just to show you. I told you, right? Mesmerizing stuff. But as this thing has gone on, I thought I probably should be developing some more useful hobbies. So I decided to plant a garden. Mr. Steven has made me a raised garden bed, and I'm going to take you guys along the journey today of me planting my garden. So are you ready? Come along with me. I'm back with my bounty. I only had to kill 2 zombies on that trip, so overall, a success. Well, it's the hottest part of the day, which you know what that means. We need to start this project right now. Common sense, people. I'm just currently trying to loosen up the earth in this good old garden bed. I can't find a shovel, so I'm using this contraption. Can't tell you what it's called, but I guess that's what Google is for, right? It's looking more like a garden already. Step 1 is done. Now on to the topsoil. Now, the key to this, because right, I'm a professional, okay, this is art, right? So what you do is you just take some in your hands, smell it a little bit. Ooh, that is God's green earth right there. You sprinkle, 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 throw, and celebrate. All I've got to do is just gently place them into their home, and I wanted to give you a little tour of what I'm planning before that. So this guy right here is watermelon. I think this is a risky move. I don't really know how watermelon works, but I've heard that they're hard. And they're also viney, so I'm hoping they're vines. I'm gonna make them go out this way. This little guy is a cucumber plant. They're also viney. I'm gonna be sending the vines also that way. These guys, these are my little twin bell pepper plants. Yummy, yum, yum. And then we have some zucchini and some squash. These are my babies. They are as gentle and tender as newborn infants, and I will be caring for them in that way. But we have a grand finale surprise. One more thing outside of the garden bed is some corn. Isn't this the most idyllic spot to plant corn? Look at the nice fencing. I'm loving my aesthetics. What would a southern garden be without some yummy corn? Well, kids, it's been weird and fun, but since my plants are in the ground, I think it's time that I say goodbye. But not without one final challenge. Dun, dun, dun! So you don't have to have a raised garden bed like I do, but if you have a pot, maybe ask your mom and dad for one, or just a patch of land, you can grow your own plants. If you're interested in doing that, we are going to be putting some seeds in the book box in between our center and Strong Tower. Go grab you some and get gardening. Bye!